Hey guys, welcome back to another episode here at the BeDistinct Corporation. If you're new to the channel, my name is Ruben. I have a SuperCharger G35 and I just do crap to it, man. And we're looking to add a 400Z here in the summer once it comes out. I'm trying my best. My best. I have a friend who's helping me stay in connection with a person at the dealer so we can try to get an allocation. But yeah, with that being said though, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you enjoy the G35 content, please feel free to subscribe, man. It's free. It's absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything, so it helps me out, brothers. It helps me out. In this video, we're just gonna go ahead and change the oil of my supercharger. I've had my supercharger for about, I think it's been like around 4 solid months, I think. The supercharger, the blower, has its own oil. The other owner ran it about 3,000 miles. I ran it another 3,000. It's about 6,000 miles. So I think it's way overdue. So we're gonna go ahead and do that for the first time. I do not know how to do it, so we're gonna learn together. And we're also gonna add a new air filter to my blower because the one I have on is absolutely nasty, bro. Like, it hasn't showered in years, bro. I want to move the car and center it and face that way so we got more light. Guys, so here is my engine bay, right? It needs a little bit of cleaning. Basically, do not overfill, and it says to fill it with 4 ounces of Vortech V3 lubricant. My friend told me that it should be this whole bottle. Also, here is our new air filter, brand spanking new. Look at that, bro. Can we get a thumbs up for this brand new filter? This car is gonna have some Walboro installed, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's gonna breathe hella good. So looks like this seems to be the drain plug, so we're gonna go ahead and unscrew this bolt and then drain it out, and we should be good. Or it might be this one, actually, this one right here. Are you kidding me? You guys can see there on the side, you can't even really see the oil, to be honest. Looks kind of clean. It should be red. You can see a hint of red. We're able to finally loosen the freaking oil drain plug. We had to use a freaking massive breaker bar like this big. Holy crap, that was an issue. But we finally got it loose. So you can see I can move it. But now I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna drain this oil because I don't want it to fall down here, and it's a very bad placement. Create some kind of invention here. Let's see if this fits. Ah, fuck. Just let it leak right there. Perfect. Let's go ahead and inspect this oil. You guys can see it has a, it looks red. Definitely, I know on camera it kind of looks black, but in person it looks like, you guys can kind of see the hue in here. The bottle, that kind of looks more accurate. You guys can see how it's kind of like a red darkish tone. You guys can see here the cap is red and this is all red. So here's the baby bottle. Let's go ahead and feed the car. Kind of pumping it right now because the angle is not the best. But apparently Vortech, in their YouTube video for the instructions how to do an oil change, they specifically mention do not overfill the blower. Do not pour more than 1 bottle of oil. 1 bottle is 4 ounces. So just pour in the whole damn bottle and you should be set to go. That's what we did. This thing should be good. Now let's go ahead and switch out that freaking nasty filter. Alright guys, here's what the blower looks like. For those of you guys who haven't Check that out. Look, check that out. I am not sure what's going on, but this air filter fit in so good. Fit in perfectly. It's not even squished, anything. And this one just is it bigger? It does look kind of bigger though. All right, guys, we're done with the project. Let's just put it in the car. Let's go ahead and put it in the car. Hey y'all, so it's a little bit later. We switched out the supercharger oil, put a new filter. It looks absolutely great, and I haven't driven it yet, but we have to drive it. There's the blower, and look at that. New. Ooh, it's looking nice. Oh my god, he looks good, bro. I don't know why an air filter makes me so happy. That's how you know I haven't modded the G35 in a long time, because just an air filter is making me this happy, man. I gotta buy mods again. I'm trying to get that 400Z, man, in here, but man, that's beautiful. That's gorgeous. And then hopefully tomorrow we can take out the G35 for a drive and get that blower oil running a little bit more. Hey, y'all, I'm taking the G for a spin right now. I already drove it. And honestly, guys, just off that filter and that new oil change, I'm pretty sure maybe not the oil change did a difference. Maybe it did, I'm not too sure. But at least the air intake, bro, big difference. That air intake was clogged up. And now with the new freaking fresh one, dude, this thing, the throttle response is a lot better on the G35, man. You can feel it instantly. So good thing we freaking switched it out. Holy shit, dude, this thing needed it ASAP. Oh man, dude, this thing drives beautiful. This car was in pain with that dirty ass freaking intake. Woo. This is y'all, the old filter once again. Ooh, what is that? Is that paper? I think that's a flower. This thing is black. Don't even got a color no more. You can see a little red there. Look, you can see right here, look, just all that gunk. God, how did the car breathe? Hey, yo! Rip this off. Ay. What the fuck? Get him, get him, get him. That's just sick, brother. That's mad crazy. She said thumbs up. Oh, it is a type R. Oh, she's running it with you? Hey, everybody's been hella friendly and shit. Alright, y'all, we're about to end the vlog on the pool by the Chinchilla. Woo! Got that boy. Oh shit! Shit's flying, bro. Alright, guys, subscribe, like the video. I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.